Hi everybody, it's Dave here from David UK Tours and welcome to your weekly update for tips and trips for anybody who is visiting London or anybody who's thinking about visiting London or anybody just interested in London because it's an amazingly interesting place. So it's Saturday the 7th of March and don't forget to stay for the few minutes if you want to hear the wonderful money saving tip that we've got this week, which is a really good one. So the first thing is we've got International Women's Day. Tomorrow there's a history tour, a women's history tour of Shoreditch Town Hall. Shoreditch is just to the east of central London. It's very easy to get to. And that tour is around Shoreditch Town Hall and explains all the amazing women who've advanced women's rights, particularly in the last 100, 200 years in the United Kingdom. And that tour is from 10 o'clock in the morning till 12 noon, if you'd like to go to that. Here's a fascinating one for you. Brixton Prison, which is just to the south of central London, they have a restaurant and it's for the public can go and have meals there and like a normal restaurant, but it's actually inside the grounds of the prison, and the people who will be cooking your food and serving you the food are actually prisoners, and it's all very much part of their rehabilitation back into the community as well. You do have to book that ahead. You can't turn up on that one, so I'll put links to that into this YouTube, and if you're interested in that fascinating experience, then do feel free to go and book and show your interest on that one. So it's Ramadan at the moment. And there's an Iftar, I hope that my pronunciation is correct, an Iftar food trial going around, and this is right in central London. And that's a halal food festival that's going to be going on in lots of different restaurants around London in the evenings. And you don't have to be a Muslim to go and to take part and have all that lovely halal food. And again, I'll put a link to all the restaurants that are running that as well. If you feel like you need to relax and calm down, there's the Equanimity Festival that's at King's Cross. Equanimity Festival at King's Cross, and that's running until the end of March, and that's a series of events that's going to be taking on, and the idea is to instill calmness in people and to encourage a healthier mind and a healthier body. So if you feel you need that and you want to take part in the events that's going on in King's Cross, very slightly to the north, but it's practically in central London. And again, I'll put the link to that. That's the Equanimity Festival. So we've got a World Book Week end at the moment, and particularly if you've got families, and to celebrate that this weekend, today and tomorrow, at Battersea Power Station, you can go along to a series of amazing interactive experiences, and they're based on the Mr. Men book series, and the children, I'm sure, will absolutely love that. Okay, so your money-saving tip, and the museums, it's all about the museums of London. London has got some amazing museums, and the vast majority of them are free. So there's the Tate Modern, which has got amazing modern paintings and displays there. And that's just to the south, on the South Bank, and there's another video on the South Bank, and we ended up at Tate Modern. It's a wonderful building. That used to be a power station. Imperial War Museum, that's all free, amazing displays in there. Then there's also the British Museum, which is the sort of history going back 6,000 or 7,000 years or even longer. The Science Museum, again, that's all free. And so many museums, including and galleries as well. The National Gallery and the National Portrait Gallery, they're all included and they're all free as well. So that's a money-saving tip. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that information. And if you are visiting London, I hope you're having a wonderful time. And do bear in mind all those things that I've said. And if you want to subscribe or like, if you want more of this information, then please do so. You take care now. Bye-bye.